TradingView tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's teach you how you will be able to utilize TradingView over here. So there are many things that you will be able to do with our TradingView, but let me focus on the basic things that you would need to know as a beginner. Now, to begin trading with TradingView or to begin buy and selling, the first thing that you're going to actually do is to be able to connect your brokers. Because if you try to buy something right now, for example, as you can see, it will prompt you to first log into your broker account. Even if you try to trade in whatever watch list or whatever options that you're looking at right now, it will request you, for example, this one, it will request you to connect your broker. So how do we connect our broker? So it's actually very simple. So over here below, you will be able to see some extra sections over here. Look for the arrow icon over here, which is going to be the open panel, or you can just drag it up over here just like this. Click on this section over here called the trading panel. Sometimes it might be named differently than trading panel depending on what's currently connected. But as you can see here, you have all kinds of broker lists available for you to check out over here. There's so many broker lists that you could connect and utilize with TradingView, which makes TradingView a really great platform to start trading. You might notice in the internet that you might be noticing that they are using paper trading. Now, paper trading is utilized to be a simulator. So you could connect your paper trading over here, click on connect, and you will be able to have a fake balance over here, a fake bank account or a fake account over here, just to allow you to practice and figure out how it works. As you can see, so if you want to practice trading or if you want to have a dummy account, this is what you could have or you could utilize, which is the paper trading. Now, after you connect to a specific broker, you could easily log out by clicking on the specific broker name over here and click on log out that specific broker. So let's click on all brokers over here and let's check out all kinds of available brokers that we have. Now, currently, it's ranked through stars over here on which one is the best ranked right now or best rated. So as of now, the best one is OKX over here. And we could see that there's so many options that we could see here. And as far as I know, TradingView is expanding or is still expanding all of their broker connections. So you might be expecting more connections available here. If your preferred broker is not available in TradingView, you might want to give it a few moments or a few months and they might be able to add it into your TradingView. Now, upon successfully connecting your broker, there we go. Like I mentioned earlier, we will now be able to begin buying and selling. So for example, if you click on right click over here and click on trade, we could click on create new order over here, which will show you our transactions or trades over here, buy and sell and so on and so forth. For example, do you want to sell? You can click on sell over here and you will be able to set up a sell limit as you can see here. So you have all kinds of sections over here that you will be able to modify. You have your price, ticks, units, your profits, your stop loss over here. This is where you will be able to set it up over here. You could also check out your DOM over here as you can see. Aside from this, what I would also recommend that you guys do whenever you connected your broker. So right now I'm using a temporary broker or like a trial broker. But among the different lists that you have, of course, there are different types, right? So for example, you have Forex, which is foreign exchange. What I would recommend that you guys do is to create your own watch list over here on the top right. So click on this option, watch list details and use option over here and click on add symbol. And what I would recommend is that you compile all kinds of symbols that are related to your broker, allowing you to easily monitor them and trade with them with ease. So the way it works is you could see here we have all kinds of symbols, right? So if you click on a specific one like SPX over here, we will be able to monitor and do some trades with this specific foreign exchange or the specific symbols over here. So if your specific broker is foreign exchange or Forex, it will be much easier for you to be able to monitor and do some trading with foreign exchange specific symbols if you create your own listing over here, as you can see. Aside from that, there's a lot of different features available in TradingView that you guys could check out, such as our alerts over here. So you could set up an alert over here, which will instantly notify you when a specific condition is met. So you could use this to protect yourself or to notify yourself if something is currently occurring in TradingView that you want to happen or that you don't want to happen. There's a lot of existing over here. So for example, it went outside a specific channel over here, a specific bound. So let's say it went between 6,000 to 6, or let's say, let's make it lower. Let's go to 6,000 flat over here. So let's say it went outside this upper bound and lower bound. It will trigger you. It will notify you. And you can set it up to be only once or every time. There's multiple parameters that you could choose between here, as you can see, whether it's moving down to a certain percentage. So let's say it went down a certain percentage, and of course you want to buy at that section. You could set up a trigger alarm over here to let you know that something occurred, and so on and so forth. And you also have some additional section over here like data window and object tree. And you can also talk with the public or the private over here, as you can see. You could talk to multiple people. You could talk about them with your strategies and so on and so forth. There's also some strategy builders over here that could help you with checking out different strategies available and also creating your own strategies. So for example, we have some bear pullout spread over here. You could create your own strategy, as you can see here. There's a lot of other things that you will be able to do with our TradingView over here. But those are specific things that I would really recommend that you guys do, especially when it comes to our broker list. So you could also do some buy and sell over here at the top, as you can see. So if you could buy this, as you can see, you might be able to notice, as you can see, non-tradable symbol. You can't trade the symbol SPX at TradingView via paper trading. So if you're using a breaker or a broker that is not able to trade with a specific symbol that you're watching, there will actually be an option for you to convert. It will automatically convert or fix that for you, where it will put you into a symbol that you could actually trade with your broker. Or if you have multiple brokers connected here, you will be able to easily utilize the same broker or the broker that would allow you to trade with SPX over here. So that's basically some of the basic things that you can know or you will be able to utilize or take advantage of in TradingView. It has a lot of super useful features. There's also indicators over here that you can check out. A lot of technical, financials, or community indicators over here that would really help you with your monitoring and your trading, whether it's day trading or casual trading, and so on and so forth. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.